Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, I will share my screen first. Okay, let's continue our lesson, but I will make a tips for this object. We can use maybe white color like this, and then we give none. That's it, finish. Okay, let's try make a modification. We will coloring of this object. Okay, now I will copy and paste like this. Okay, take a look. Okay, we can create any object, others object from this part. Okay, let's see. I use freehand tool to join this object. Okay, now I will try to copy and paste, and then change the degree like this. Sorry, maybe minus. Okay, where is the okay 0? I think nope, sorry. What if 8? Sorry, 8. Sorry, let's take a look. Maybe like this. Let's check. It's great. Now Control C, Control V, and rotate. That's degree. Okay, 6 degrees. Then okay, that's it. That's the combinate of their result. CV this. Okay, CV. Okay, now I want to active my shaping. Where is my shaping? Sorry, range saving. Use intersect. Choose intersect with this. Okay, that's the result. Okay, now okay, I delete this. I use this, Control C, Control V. Okay, intersect with this. It's the result. Okay, now with this. Okay, this, Control C, Control V. Take a look. Okay, intersect with this. That's the result. Use intersect saving facility. That's great. Delete and delete. We have the result. Okay, now I want to copy this Control C, Control V, and I take the well of 3 objects. Okay, yeah, okay, I can delete this 3. I move closer. Okay, choose this, Control C, Control V, and move here. Okay, remember we have 5 millimeters node offset. We can use this for moving our object safety and neatly moving. Yeah, usually I use node offset, this node offset, to move object and neatly. Okay, move from offset. Okay, now I want to move this, tick. Okay, and order to back or shift plus pick down button. Yes, okay. Yeah, now I will coloring this. Yeah, maybe yellow. Then I use fountain radial. Yeah, maybe yellow. I think it's yellow. Okay, maybe orange. Yeah, we can adjust the edge pad. Let's try. Okay, but need vertical, maybe to down. Yeah, okay, I think this sorry. Okay, it's 0. Okay, that's it. Okay, none. Yeah, it's okay. I need, okay, no outline, shift back down like this. Okay, yeah, but this I want to maybe 60. Okay, maybe 60 is 62. Okay, this 62 weight and height. Okay, this 62 height and weight. Yeah, now I will to inface this text. Okay, great. Okay, for the size, that's great. Okay, 40. Okay, that's it. It's finished. That's our complete 3 Hitakarana: harmony with God, harmony with people, and harmony with nature. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.